Well, the little 5x8 is on its way out. So, you know, bought it about a year ago. A little 5x8. And at the time, it was what I needed. But now, I need something bigger. So, I'm about to drive 30 minutes. They gave me asking price for it, which is more than what I paid for it, about a couple $100. And then I will be on the hunt for a 6x12 or 6x14. So I knew this was not my forever trailer. It was one just to kind of get me by because I needed something at the time. So let's see what I come up with next. For me, it may be a week or a month, and for you, it would be a couple seconds. Well, the trailer is gone, but I'm going to meet a guy now to get my new trailer. So I'll be back when I get my trailer, because I am excited, and it's actually in a whole lot better shape than what I was expecting to get for the price. So I think I'm gonna be pretty happy. What do you think about my new trailer?
I'm giving it 10,000 to a billion stars.
You think we can fit everything on here when we go riding the four-wheelers and stuff?
Yeah, we can fit.
How many?
One here, 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 and one here.
That's like 18. I don't know if we can fit that many. But I think
we can fit like all my cars. We can even fit a tree.
you probably could fit a tree. Maybe not that one, but I think we can fit a tree.
Oh.
So you approve of the purchase?
Yes.
Oh,
Maybe
cool.
you can hold your car.
The car, maybe not quite, but you know, the car might be.
It can hold
Actually, it might.
It can hold 10 people, and it would be like.
We can hold more than 10 people.
Whee!
I mean, I can go in there and start it up real fast if you stay right there.
Nope.
All right, so here she is in all her glory. The next day, she's clean. I do need to do something with this wiring. I made this tighten it up, zip tied. Probably need to put, you know, some insulation right there so it doesn't rub and eat through the wire. Might be a good thing to do. But overall, like I said, 6-year-old trailer, just regular, you know, weathered condition, you know, with straps and stuff fit on there. The wood is in pretty good condition. So overall, you know, it's gonna do what it do for me. Probably gonna do some LED lights. I may put like some amber lights or strips right here on the side. I think I'm definitely going to get a tongue box to go here, and I may put a ratchet strap on this and see if I can unbend that. I would like to have a wheel on here, so I may see about putting a wheel on there to kind of make it easier to move it around and roll it around. But other than that, like I said, I may do like some bed liner treatment and bed lining. Probably not, but maybe. We shall see. But overall, you know, 6x12. I think that's what I need to haul the toys around. And it shouldn't be any problem hauling them around either. Trailer solid. I'm happy with it. So I think the 6x12 is the perfect size for a trailer if you have ATVs. Because if you have two, you can just pull them on. Boom, boom, and stack them. And if you need to, you can turn them sideways. You probably could fit 3 or 4 sideways. So, yeah. So like I said, I think we're gonna try to plan something for end of March or beginning of April. Go riding. We're gonna load this bad boy up, and we're either gonna go back to Red Oak, or we're gonna go to Busco Beach, or maybe go down to Carolina. I think it's Carolina ATV Park in Charlotte. So we will see y'all then. Peace. All right, so give me a thumbs up if you like it.